Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. It's going to be a quickie. You guys have really come through with your likes and subscribes, so I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate French fries. Let's go.
How to make air fryer ultimate French fries.
Hello and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen.
First thing we're going to do is get our French fries in our basket. Now what we're going to want to think about is not filling it all the way, but about halfway up. Today I'm using the famous fries from Rally's. They've got their seasoned French fries. Oh, so good. And they work really well in this air fryer. See? Halfway up. Not over the halfway mark, just to the halfway mark. We're going to go ahead and put this back in, set it at 400 degrees for 8 minutes. That's it. Next thing, let's go ahead and get our pan warmed up, put that on medium-high heat. And we're going to go ahead and chop up our bacon while our French fries are cooking. The goal is to get these into little tiny bite-sized pieces that you can actually pick up with your French fries. So what I'll do is I'll cut along the side here, as you see, and then I'll come back and cut these pieces in half. Just like that. And we'll go ahead and speed through this. Almost done. Go ahead and set that and put it into your now hot pan. Oh, love that sound. Now we're going to go ahead and cook this bacon until it's nice and golden brown. Speeding through. This has been about 4 minutes now. You guys love the smell of bacon? I love bacon. All right, now you got to shake these basket of French fries up. It's been 8 minutes. What we're trying to do is get those bottom fries back up to the top and turn them over, put it back in 400 degrees for another 8 minutes. And the bacon is just about done here. Looking and smelling amazing. Oh, we're going to go ahead and put that on a paper towel to dry off. Meanwhile, we're going to go ahead and prepare our white onion or green onion, depending on what you call it. This is also known as a scallion. Chop off the front and the back. And what I'm going to do is slice the white part down the middle. And then chop this into bite-sized pieces. Little tiny pieces. It's going to add a lot of color, and it's going to add a little sweetness to the dish at the end when you're eating it. Oh, you're going to love this. Now I've got some Velveeta cheese. I love this stuff. It melts really well, and they've come out with this new box that has individual packets that you can buy. And just squeeze that into a bowl, and what you're going to do is make sure to squeeze it from the bottom to the top. Get all of that wonderful goodness out of that package, just like you see here. Get over to the microwave, pop that in with a little cover, and cook it for 30 seconds. The French fries have gone 8 minutes. Look how golden, beautiful brown these are. I'm going to place them on a nice dish here. Oh, the smells are coming together, guys. You're going to love this. Look. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and prepare our dish. First thing we're going to do is put a few dollops of sour cream in different places on top of our French fries. Just small little amounts, just enough to cover and give your French fries some of that wonderful flavor. Then we're going to put some of our melted cheese on here, as much as you want. If you're on a diet, well, you probably shouldn't be making this. But if you're not, just do what I'm doing here. Put cheese all over there. Next up, let's go ahead and put that bacon on. Generous amounts of bacon are always welcome on Ultimate French Fries at Uncle Bill's Kitchen. This is gonna be so good. Look at that. Look. Oh, I can't tell you how great this smells and how wonderful this bacon tastes. Good. Chef's privilege, you know. Now we're gonna go ahead and put that beautiful green onion on here. Would you look at that? I know it's only Halloween, but I'm telling you, it feels like Christmas in my house. Beautiful, salty goodness, wonderful. You're gonna love this recipe, guys.
It's cheesy. It's got a little saltiness, and that sour cream kind of mellows out that saltiness from the bacon, but really gives you that feeling of like a loaded potato skin. You know those loaded potato skins? Oh, it's my favorite. This is so good. And that onion comes out right at the end. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps my channel out a lot, guys. Appreciate you.
Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. For each and every one of you who have been sharing our recipes on your social media, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's obviously making a difference on our channel, and we really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It lets you get a notification every time we have a new video come out. It's absolutely free, and it helps our channel a lot.